Welcome to Coastal Experts. You know, we're always looking for fun things to do, especially when it comes to dating. Well, how can you do that and also keep it healthy with some fun ideas? Well, we decided to call in our good friends at Hilton Head Health, of course, our mind and body experts. And joining me right now is Spa Director Kelly Perrin. It's so great to see you, Kelly.
Great to see you too, thank you.
So Kelly, let's jump right in. What are some healthy date ideas?
Well, they could be something really simple, maybe going for a walk together after dinner, or signing up for a 5K and training together, or something a little more lavish like signing up for a couple's cooking class or joining us at the Indigo Spa to get some services.
So there are a lot of things to do over here at Hilton Head Health. Well, what are some places you can actually, take couples cooking classes?
A lot of people don't know this, but here at Hilton Head Health, we have a private cooking school called the Healthy Kitchen, and we do group cooking classes, or you could call and sign up for a class just for you or you and a significant other, which is a really fun Valentine's Day activity. Our executive chef, Carla Williams, is going to be airing a Heart Healthy Valentine's Day segment, so keep your eyes open for that, and it'll give you a little sneak peek about what we do here at our Healthy Kitchen.
But it is all about having fun and finding those things that you can do together. And I know you mentioned massages. Are there health benefits with couples massages?
There are. So massages in general are actually really great for you. They can help lower your blood pressure, decrease anxiety and depression, help you sleep better. And doing those things as a couple, it really just helps you connect. So if you're going to get a couples massage, come to a spa like ours with this relaxation lounge, arrive early, unwind, hang out together. Leave your cell phone in the locker room so you're not bogged down by technology, and just sit and talk and then have your massage, and it's wonderful.
So Kelly, along that same line, because I know that you guys offer a lot of different massages, so you can come as a couple, but you can have independent massages as well.
Right, so if you're not comfortable being in the couples room, that's fine. You can have two separate services, or actually about a month ago, my husband and I came to the spa. I got a facial, that's what I was really needing at the time. He got a massage, so we enjoyed the relaxation lounge together, got two separate services, and then joined back up afterwards.
So let's talk about different services that you offer here at Hilton Head Health, because you guys are the experts when it comes to mind and body. What are some services that you offer here at Hilton Head Health, and specifically things that we can think about for couples during Valentine's Day?
So what makes us really unique is that being a part of Hilton Head Health, the Indigo Spa is able to offer couples private yoga sessions, Pilates sessions, we do manicures, pedicures, facials, body wraps, and body scrubs. So we do everything.
So it doesn't have to be just a massage. I mean, if you're into exercise, you could come and exercise and have an exercise date for Valentine's Day as well.
You could. There's tons of things you could do. So you could come do a private yoga session and then get spa services afterwards. We also have a really great dining room called True. The food is delicious, very healthy, so good for you. And what's really great is if you have a spa service, you are able to join us in our dining room, which is usually not open to the public.
So how can we create a healthy Valentine's Day as a date here at Hilton Head Health?
Here at Hilton Head Health and the Indigo Spa, we love couples, so we are celebrating Valentine's Day the entire month of February. Give us a call to schedule spa services. If you're coming as a couple, we're going to be giving you 25% off all of your services and also give you some champagne to enjoy. If you want to do something a little special, outside of the box, visit our website, reach out to me directly, and I'm happy to put together a package customized just for you. So we could do a private cooking session followed by spa services, or we could set you up with Pilates or yoga. Anything you want, we'll customize it so it's special for you and your loved one.
So Kelly, a lot of viewers sitting at home probably wanting to create their package for a healthy date for Valentine's Day, or maybe they want information on Hilton Head Health. What do they need to do?
Check us out online. Our websites are a wealth of information. We're hiltonheadhealth.com and also indigospa.com. So if you're interested in creating that Valentine's Day package, go to indigospa.com and fill out a contact me form, and I will get back to you to set up that special day.
Well, Kelly, get ready to create my package, because I want to definitely get in on the healthy date package for Valentine's Day.
Great, I look forward to it.
It's great to see you, Kelly.
You too, thank you.
If you'd like more information on Hilton Head Health, our mind and body experts, or you'd like more information on any of our coastal experts, all you have to do is go to the Coastal Experts page. You'll find that at wsav.com.